starý rozbitý notebook.
Dobrý.
Hodný. Zůstaň tam.
Zárák. Good helmet. Čaváku! Bar! Seděli jste?
Co?
Seděli jste?
Hakim, good or bad? Your choice.
Úplně...
My father is going to visit us. How nice. Ciao. Nice. That helmet smells bad. Med vypadl! Počkej! Med, a já to vezmu! Terka. I got Terka, Stana got Hakim. We got everything we need. Let's run! Houston, they got problem. We are fine. We made it all the way to city center. Terka, first feelings.
Vibration.
Hakim, first feelings. I love it, but maybe there's a little bit too much vibrations in the motorbike, but we'll handle it.
We got first injury. I burned my leg on this hot shit.
Babetta journey continues. This is full speed, and we're losing them. My Babetta not working.
Já tam neslyším.
Maybe no gas. There's a problem somewhere. We got the gas, we got the oil. I don't know what's wrong. But the horses doesn't care about our problems. They're just eating grass and not giving a shit. We switch Babetta! We got Hakim without Hakim! Well, so far it seems that there's just problems with the Babettas, but once we'll figure it out, it will be awesome! Well, as I like to say, if it would be easy, it would be boring. So, swimming is over, now let's go home and repair all the problems. Well, let's try to repair the gas thing with this inflatable bullshit. Terka, what do you think? Good idea or bad idea?
I don't know.
Nice.
Materiál dobrý, ten nápad není dobrý. Děkuji.
Homemade ice cream.
Dneska si ty vážný, ale...
Jo, jo.
No, trošku.
Ice cream making.
Ice cream. Ice
Healthy, for free, delicious, 100%. Banana sausages.
Oh my god. Já si beru tady porcičku za 50 kg, děkuji.
Hele, zmrzlené, jakože...
Terka, how do you like it?
It's delicious! Yummy, yummy!
And Standa?
Prokletí.
Ondřej, how do you like it?
This banana is from garbage, you know? So... Garbage! I need to be fast, so just quickly! It's awful!
Another dumpster dive. This time with better headlamp and bigger backpack. Let's do this. Damn it, wrong way. I think it was this way. Here comes the stairs. Well, I don't know what happened. I was there and just this car came and it scared me, so I went back. Let's see what happens. Well, the car is leaving, so let's get back into the business, I guess. I guess we'll have salad for like next month.
I got watermelon and ton of veggies and fruits.
Oh my god, this watermelon weighs like million tons. I cannot even ride a bike. There's a house that makes these noises and it's super creepy. Whoa. I'm home. Good night and don't forget to move your body. Oh shit! The whole watermelon is